Do you want to know this super temperament zipper handbag? How? Come with me and I'll teach you right away. Let's learn the practice of zipper handbags today. I'm going to do it today with these 2 pieces of curtain cloth. 2 pieces of watch cloth, length 35 and height 26 centimeters. First we bring the fabrics face to face. Draw a 5 by 5 centimeters square under the 2 corners. Shape it and cut it with scissors. Cut it and open it like this. This is ribe. The inside is a whole piece. Then the length is 35 centimeters. The height is 50 centimeters. Fold it in half and draw a 5 by 4 rectangle. Then cut it out. After we cut it, we put it aside for later use. Zipper width 5 centimeters. Length 28 watch cloth, 2 pieces. Bottom 2. So first we're going to fold it in half. Fold it in half and take it to the center point. Center point 8 centimeters to both sides. 6 centimeters down from the top of the bag. This is the location of the fixed bag belt. We sit on the marker. Another piece does the same. After clicking on the location, this is my previous bag strap. You can also make one yourself with the main part. Order it like this. After both straps are ordered, we put the watch cloth face to face. After facing each other, put this side and bottom car. So the car comes. After the car number, we will open this corner directly. Then the seams are separated. So it's the same on this side of the car. After 2 corner car numbers, we will put them aside for backup. Ribe does the same thing as him. Let's zip it up next. Put on our zipper corner. Before zipping, put the 2 ends of our zipper. Fix it with the machine like this. Then the front of the zipper is opposite the front of the watch. The inside front is attached to the reverse side of the zipper. This car comes directly. When the car arrives here. So we fold the outside and inside like this. Just turn it over when you're done. Open line in the car for a week. The other side does the same thing as him. After the zippers on both sides are numbered, we put the zipper head on. After loading, we'll wrap the end of the zipper for him here. In the car first. After the car number, we fold this rough edge in. The top is also folded into the rough edge. Poke again like this. Take a look at this thick and easy car. After the zippers are done, we fold it in half to the center point, opposite the center point of the bag. This will put both sides of the car. After the zipper is done, we will open it. And the lid did the same thing with the watch cloth. Just leave a flip on one side. Then put it into the watch cloth. Front to front. Tidy up the bag mouth. A week in the car like this. After the car number, turn it out through the flap we left behind. After flipping to the front, so the flap we left on his car. After the seal, we will organize the bag mouth. A circle of 0.3 bright lines in the car. We took the expansion station off for easy operation. I use super thick curtain cloth. The bag mouth plus zipper cloth and sewing are 8 or 9 layers thick. Take a look at this machine. It can be easy, and the ability after eating the car is still very strong. So our bags are ready. The capacity inside is also very large. Go out and pack some water glasses. Inside, I also made an oversized inner pocket. Do you want to know the large capacity of this upgrade? How to make a cylindrical handbag? Come with me and I'll teach you right away. Today we use this denim. Let's make a large capacity clutch. Width 30, length 50 centimeters. A piece of watch cloth. A piece of lib. I ironed the lining in advance. This is the side pocket. Width 17, length 19 centimeters. This is the scale I cut in advance. Iron hem against the top. Then put a centimeter seam. Cut one side into an arc. A small pocket in this side pocket. Width 17, length 12 centimeters. Nailed like this. 2 straps. 7 centimeters wide and 47 long. Zipper length 27. A zipper on both sides of the limelight 3 by 3 centimeters. We're going to start by making 2 little side pockets. This is the hemming strip, and the width is 3.5. You can add that kind of cotton rope strip inside. In the car directly. Take out our lib after the car. One more car like this. After the car number, we fold it over. This is what it looks like. Let's take out our insides. The inner part and the watch part face each other and then drive together. After the car number, we turn it over to the front. Then open the line on the Bauco car. After the pocket car number on the side. Take out the side of our trimmed bag. We're going to have the inside and the outside facing off. Then put our little pocket on top. Do the same thing on the car. After the 2 pockets are numbered, this is it. Take out the hemming strip we made earlier. Wrap it around. Make some cuts like our hemming strips. It's easier to turn like this. The other side does the same thing as him. After the 2 side pockets are done, we'll set it aside. Take out our bags below. Mark 6 centimeters down from the upper mouth. 5 centimeters from the edge. This is the location of the fixed bag. Same here. I just folded the strap in half. Then place the strap like this to secure it. The rest of the same method will fix the bag strap. After the bag belt is fixed, we will make the zipper next. First we put 2 zippers of cloth. Wrap the zipper head. Put both sides on the car like this. Zip directly after the car. After the car number, turn it over to the front. Then open line in the upper lane. Same thing on the other side. That's it. The front of the zipper is face to face with the front of the watch. The inside front is attached to the reverse side of the zipper in the car directly. After the zipper is numbered, we turn it over to the front. There's an open line. The other side does the same thing as him. The zipper car here is so obvious, and then we fold the inside like this. The watch part is also folded in half in this car. After zipping on both sides, we fasten the lining to the watch cloth. After fixing it, we turn it over to the reverse side. After turning it over, take it to the center point and make a cut. Same thing here. And then the side pockets on both sides are the same. Then the center point is relative to the center point. Go around like this. Same thing on the other side. Take a look at layers of denim. Take out our hemming strips after showing the car number on both sides. Wrap it like this after wrapping the sides. So our bags are ready. We flip it to the front. You can fit the phone on the side. Large capacity inside. So our bags are ready.